St John's before Salesforce, and there was a lot of paper and not much room to walk around, and things were getting lost, and nothing was stored in a centralized place. It definitely did have a negative impact on customer service. Like I said before, things were misplaced, things weren't easy to locate. Here at St John, we didn't know what the solution was that we needed until SalesFix, who's a Salesforce partner, came on board and showed us the ideal solution that we needed.
We started the engagement by reviewing their processes, looking at their problems and pain points, and coming up with a solution that brought together 3 different legacy databases into one Salesforce solution.
St John does a lot more than people expect. Not only do we offer training courses for first aid and the like, we also offer restocking services for first aid kits, and we also supply volunteers at community events to provide first aid. Within our Salesforce platform, we have a Service Cloud component, which comprises of case management solution. The customer service team all have access to the same case queue so that queries can be actioned in a very timely manner. Prior to the Salesforce implementation, it could take anywhere up to 1 or 2 days to send a customer a copy of a certificate that they've requested, whereas now our customer service team are very quick at sending a certificate. It could be a matter of minutes. Our call center is one of the main areas of the business. It's the point of contact for our customers. The call center started off with quite a large team prior to Salesforce, and now that's reduced by about 50%. I do believe that SalesFix's implementation of Salesforce was a key attribute to St John's success, especially where we are now. We've come a long way from where we were before, prior to implementing Salesforce.